Nature Center.
Nature Center.
Sorry.
Let's do that again. Welcome back to the channel.
I'm Chris.
And I'm Ola. And today we're here at Eden Mill Nature Center. We're just going to do a quick little walkthrough around and...
There's a bunch of trails apparently. We're about a half a mile from one of the parking lots. There's another parking lot. Like if you drive down the road, there's multiple places to park. Of course, we parked at like the
furthest end.
The first end where the Nature Center actually is. And now we're going to be taking the
Polypot.
I'm going with that. That's what's spelled.
I thought it said lollipop at first, but...
Yeah, there's a bunch of other resorts like Bluebird and High Meadow. So there's a bunch of trails you can take. So let's see what this one offers.
It's hard to see on video, but this is your tree ring dating. And it's pretty awesome. It just shows all the different things. So there's the pith. 1916 National Park was created. Power plant in Eden Mill stopped operating. I mean, I'm a nerd, so this is kind of interesting.
Feel free to pause it and count the rings.
Yeah, let us know. How many rings are there? Looks like we get to go along the river again. So we can take the Bluebird Trail or the Beaver Run Trail. Beaver Run?
Beaver Run.
Okay. Trail this rock formation. It's quite impressive. Chris, stand there. Let's show them.
I don't want to make it look small.
Wow. Pretty crazy. Pretty cool.
Like it went through like bird. It's almost earthy.
Yeah, that tree. It's just like... It's nice just walking along the little river here. There's a whole bunch of people kayaking up and down, paddleboarding. Might be fun to do. We might need to try that one time. This is fun.
It looks like we reached the end of the Riverwalk portion of this trail because it looks like we're gonna go inside. But I just wanted to show you guys. What it looks not. It didn't look clean before. It always looked this color, like silty, I guess. But I don't know what's in the water now. It really don't look. You don't want to go in now. What about you?
I mean, it's hot out. I'm tempted to, but you know,
No.
It's a no for now.
I'm not even close. Well, it looks like something might come in and out of the water at this.
Well, they said that
right
there's like beaver, not beavers,
it's like a little opening.
otters.
It's hard to see on the video.
They said that there's river otters along here.
All right, that's where we're going into. So.
Into the jungle.
Into the jungle.
12 seconds later.
Yeah, so we're not going in that trail. It's steep, likes you like jello. Don't have the oomph right now. I just think the humidity's getting to us. So we're gonna walk along the river again. Yay! Right?
Well, it's not looping, but we'll make it work.
We'll make it work. Alright, stick around. Can you guys see how big that spider is? Oh my god. It's scary.
All right, so we're gonna change it up, and on the way back, we're gonna take the Bluebird Trail. So let's hope.
Loops. Back or
Loops.
something.
It should be. I think it's a short. The spider.
Thank
I hooked the spider. Oh, we dropped.
You dropped.
All right, let's see how this one is. Well, we're taking all kinds of shortcuts on this way back. But you didn't hear that from us.
gonna wrap it up over here along the boardwalk and head back to the car, grab some lunch. We're kind of hungry.
Yes.
So like always,
Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and when you do, please hit where it says all, so you get notified of all the videos we put up instead of some. And please leave us some comments. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love to hear if you think of new places we should go to, what you think of the place we do go to, anything. We would love to hear from you.
and we'll see you soon. Fun stairs. Get that leg workout in.